how to add custom fonts to Shopify. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in to your account, what you'll need to do is to prepare the custom font that you want to add to your Shopify web store. Now click on the online store button, which you'll find under sales channel. Under this, you'll be able to find the themes section. Now on the themes section, go ahead and click on the three dots beside the customize button. And here, go ahead and click on edit code. This will allow you to edit your code for your Shopify web store. Now in here, go ahead and search for .woff and click on the assets. So under the assets, you can click on add a new asset. Now in this section, you'll need to upload the font that you want to add for your Shopify web store. Click on open. Now click on done to successfully upload this font to your Shopify web store. Now once this is uploaded, what you can do is to head back to the theme section to be able to customize your Shopify online store. And here, go ahead and click on customize, and you'll be able to customize your Shopify online store. Now go ahead and hover your mouse at the left side of your screen and click on theme settings. Click on typography and you'll be able to find the font that you've uploaded in this section. So what you can do is to use that font for your Shopify online store and click on select to save the changes.